Ma show you how you take create your own website by yourself without paying anybody a single dime. And again, if you don't get any knowledge about coding, you go still fit create your own website by yourself. This particular website I want to show you go help you develop your own website. It go help you add pictures, videos, and everything where you want to do inside your website. More check them out. So once you come to this particular website, as I see am for you now, the first thing where you go down to click on get started. Once you click on get started, after that, wait for them to load. Then you need to register. After you don't register, the next thing where you go see, 9 be this. Then you can impute e-commerce. If not the same thing you want create, I get them here already because now waiting that they already create. Then I'll come select from this drop down. I select HTML. So as you see there, the right hand best recommended. Once you are done with that, you click on create. So if you don't click on create, the next where go show up 9 be this. Now once this place don't open up, they tell you say maybe you write the prompt of the kind of website where you want create. Now I'll come paste the website where I want create because already I get them down already. I don't write the prompt down. Now my prompt be this for the website where I want create. So now so you can write out your prompt. Once you don't write out your prompt, you'll come press send. Now the send button be this. You come press send button. Mind you, if you want add image to this your prompt where you write, if you add image to your prompt, so it will help you add the image before it load your website for you. You don't add the image. And so it will work. So the next thing you go do now is for you to wait, making load your website for you. Once you don't click on this place, it will load the preview of the website. Make I show you how the preview will look like. So the preview of the website will look like this. As you can see on my screen now, the preview of the website be this. So now waiting will show be this. Then you can scroll down, go the end. If you don't reach the end, me I no scroll reach the end now, but you go scroll reach the end. If you don't reach the end, click on generate. Now waiting you go see. Once you don't click on generate, wait for them to load. So click on generate. When you reach the end, you will click on generate. Once you don't click on generate, wait for them to load. Then the next thing where you will see, once you don't load, then your website 9 be this. Now the website I tell them create for me 9 be this. You see, discover and share delicious recipes from around the world. So this picture right there, now why I talk, so if you add your own picture right now, if you change this picture for you now, if you tell them say make you hear me change the pictures from this side, I go tell them add my own photos. How I'll take add them, I'll come here, see upload image, so you go add your own photos. When you don't finish all your editing, you just come here. Now the code where you take create your website for you 9 be this. So imagine say you want to write all this code by yourself. Shall you imagine? So now all the codes be this. So if you copy them, put them for your Visual Studio Code, then do whatever you want to do with them. Then when you don't finish with this particular code, if you want to publish your website, see where you will click here. You click this particular place to publish your website, and boom, your website don't be available for anybody to actually view them. So now look the website where you create for me. I never edit them, I never do anything, but I feel edit every single thing where they here to the type where I want. I will change the pictures where they here. I feel leave them, and I feel change only this one. If you even add video play inside this particular website, and the AI will do everything for you. If you want the name of this website, just comment website for the comment section, and I will drop them for you. And if you want the prompt to comment prompt, I will drop the both of them for you as well. Don't forget to like this video, share it to other people out there. We'll save some people when you need that.